Subrat Nanda. Welcome to my YouTube channel SK Nanda Maths Class. In this video, we will study about the perimeter and area of Standard 7. The chapter is 11 and chapter name is Perimeter and Area of Standard 7. Okay, so what is called perimeter? First, we have to know about the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means it is the total length of a closed figure. Means it is the boundary of the closed figure. Suppose I will take one rectangle here. Okay, and its name is ABCD. It is a rectangular figure, means it is the closed figure. When we will find out the perimeter, we have to add all the sides of the figure. It means when we will find out the perimeter of any closed figure, we have to add the length of its boundaries. Got it? So what is the perimeter, you know? The perimeter means it is the measurement of its total length of its boundary. Got it? Okay. So the perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Okay? The perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. So here ABCD is a closed figure. When we find out its boundary, we have to take all the sides and its sum. Okay? It means the perimeter is here. What will get? Now AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. When we add all the sides, then we will get the perimeter. Okay, we will get the perimeter. Got it? It is the perimeter. Perimeter means, again I am telling that, perimeter means it is the sum of all its boundary or sum of all its sides. When we add all the sides of a closed figure, then we will get the perimeter. It is a rectangular. And if you take this triangle, in triangle how many sides are there? Here, 3 sides are there. It is the PQ, then QR and RP. It means the sum of 3 sides of the triangle is the perimeter of the triangle. Okay? It means it is PQ plus QR plus RP. When we add this, then we will get the perimeter of the triangle. Got it? Then what is the unit of the perimeter? What is the unit of the perimeter? The unit of the perimeter is as same as its length. If it is written in meter, then measurement of the unit of the perimeter will be meter. If the measurement, the length of the sides are given in the centimeter, then the perimeter unit will be centimeter. Got it? Now we discuss the area. What is called area? Okay? The area. What is called area? The area of a closed figure, plane figure, is the measure of the region or part of the plane enclosed by its boundary. Okay? So what we got here? So how to find out the area? Area means every closed figure takes some place or occupies some place in a plane. Okay? In which plane they will be lie, in that plane they have to occupy some place. When we will find out the area means how much place it is occupied, that portion we have to find out. That part or how much area, it is means how much area means what? Now how much place they occupied, that thing we have to find out. Okay? That's why we written the area of a closed plane figure is the measure of the region. Region means in the here the region means this is the region. Okay, this part is the region. In triangle, in the triangle here, this part which when I am shading, this part is the region. Okay, so area of the closed plane figure is the measure of the region. Region means what? In bracket I have written here part of the plane. In which plane it is the board is a plane. Total a whiteboard is a plane. In whiteboard, in some place occupied by A, B, C, D rectangle, and here P, Q, R triangle. Okay, in the total plane is the whiteboard. Whiteboard total plane. From the whiteboard, some place occupied by A, B, C, D rectangle and P, Q, R triangle. The which part, how much part it is occupied, that part is known as the area of the closed figure. Clear? Okay. So the how much region it is occupied by a closed figure, that much is the area of the closed figure. The already we know that in the perimeter, the unit of the perimeter is as same as the length of the length. How much given? It is given meter, the unit is meter, it is given centimeter, the perimeter unit will be centimeter, and it is given also kilometer, then unit of the perimeter will be kilometer. But here in area, what is the unit of the area? Unit of area is square unit. Okay, the unit of the area, is square unit. Square unit. Okay, the unit means standard unit. Okay, the unit of the area is square unit. If it is given in meter, then the square meter. If it is given in centimeter, then area will be in centimeter. Square centimeter. Okay, square meter, square centimeter, like that. Got it? Okay. So now you got the you know what is perimeter and what is area. Now we will discuss about the formulas of some closed figure. Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss some formulas. It is here figure, name of the figure, perimeter and area. First we will start from the triangle. It is one triangle and it is height given here. The A, B, C and it is the D. That's what? The triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? The sum of three sides. Sum of three sides. Sum of three sides means here AB plus BC plus CA. Okay? So what is the area? Area is 1/2 into base into height. Okay. In short you can write 1/2 into B into H. It is the formula of triangle. Perimeter is sum of three sides, means AB plus BC plus CA, and area half into base into height, or 1/2 base into height. Okay, it is one completed. Second one now will start. Next we will take one equilateral triangle. One equilateral triangle we will take. You know what is called equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means its all sides are equal length. Okay, it is written PQR. One equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Suppose this side is A. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. So What is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? When all sides are equal, means we have to add 3 sides. It means 3 side will add means here 3 into side. So 3 into side. Or you can write 3a. Okay, why 3a? Because all sides are equal. So a plus a plus a will write. It means it is better to write 3a. Then what is the area of the equilateral triangle? It is root 3 upon 4 a square. Root 3 upon 4 a square. Okay, it means it is root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay, it is the formula of equilateral triangle. Next, we will go to the rectangle. Next, we will write the formulas of a rectangle. It is A, B, C, D rectangle. Here, length is your L and breadth is B. It is rectangle. Rectangle. What is the formula of rectangle? Rectangle perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. How we will get 2 into L plus B? We know that perimeter means sum of 4 sides. Here, how many length and how many breadth are there? Now, in our rectangle, we know that the length are equal and breadth also equal. Means opposite sides are equal. So, how we will get it? Means we will get L here means it is also L. It is B. So, L plus B plus L plus B means here 2L is there and 2B also. So, when from here we will take 2 common, then we will get L plus B. Okay? It means perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So, what is the area formula? Area equal to L into B. L into B means length into breadth. Means how much place occupied by the rectangle. How will get it? Now when we multiply length into breadth. And I already told you that the unit of perimeter is your as same as the length of the side and unit of the area is square unit. Okay. Then it is your completed rectangle completed. Now we will go to the figure, closed figure, whose name is square. In square, what the difference between square and rectangle you know? Square is one type of rectangle, yes or no? But here, its all sides are equal. So we are taking here P, Q, R, S. In rectangle and square, what is the difference? Difference is that in rectangle, length and breadth and different length. But in square, all sides are equal. It means length, breadth, all are equal. So, which one is named as your A? Again, the name as A. So, rectangle, it is the square. Its figure name is square. So, what is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square means what? Sum of 4 sides you know. It means PQ plus QR plus RS plus SR. SP. Okay. It means all are AA. So A plus A plus A plus A. It means what? Now 4A. 4A. You can write 4A means what? Now 4A means 4 into side. Okay. 4 into side, or you can write 4A. When we multiply 4 with a side of the rectangle, square, we will get the perimeter. Got it? Next, the area. Area for the side square. Area formula is side square. Side square or A square. It is the formula of square. Got it? After that, we have to discuss more formulas. Now, we will we'll find out the formula of parallelogram. So you already know what is called parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. It is known as parallelogram. Yes or no? So it is ABCD is a parallelogram. Here I am drawing one height. Okay, it is height. For it is E. Height I am taken as name as your H. It is L and it is B. Figure name what? Na parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. So what is the perimeter parallelogram? Parallelogram is one type of a rectangle. Means it is bounded by four sides. Okay. Here the perimeter is the same sum of four sides mean 2 into L plus B. No need to discuss more. 2 into L plus B. Length and breadth is given. So 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay. So what is the area? Area is L into H. Length into height. Okay. When we will multiply length with height, then we will get the formula of area. Okay. It is length into height. It is whose formula? It is area of the parallelogram. Next, we will discuss about the rhombus. In the rhombus, it is one type of parallelogram, but here its opposite sides are, means all sides are equal, and in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, but in your rhombus all sides are equal. All sides are equal length. So it is the rhombus. Okay. So PQRS. PQRS. Here I am drawing two diagonals. Two diagonals. I am taking here the name here A, and diagonal is known. I am naming here. It is D1. This one your D2. Okay. D1 and D2. It is the rhombus. Figure name is rhombus. Okay. It is the rhombus. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? As same as the square. Square all sides are equal, and here rhombus all sides are equal. When we find out the perimeter means we have to add all the sides, means A plus A plus A plus A, because in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay. So directly you can write 4A. 4 into side or 4A. Okay. It is the perimeter of the rhombus. Then what is the formula of area? Area formula. Area of the rhombus is 1/2 into product of the two diagonals. Two diagonals. Product of two diagonals. You can write here 1/2 into D1 into D2. 1/2 D1 into D2. So this one, the formula to find area of a rhombus. Okay? Half into D1 into D2. D1 into D2 means the product of two diagonals. Where it is written here D1 and D2. It is the area of rhombus. Next we will go to the circle. Circle, it is the center. Center is O, and here this is your R. R means what? The radius of the circle. Okay? It is circle. Name is circle. Circle. Okay? The circle perimeter means it is the circumference of the circle. Okay? The special name it is given to the perimeter for the circle. It is the circumference. Circumference of the circle means the perimeter of the circle. Okay? The perimeter of the circle means, or circumference of the circle means what? What is the formula of circumference circle? circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi and r. 2 pi r. The pi have different value. If it is not given any value of pi, it is 22 upon 7. Okay? If anywhere the value pi is not given, then it is 22 upon 7. Okay? Or any place it is also given 3.14. 3.14. If it is not given, then we have to take the 22 upon 7. If it is value given, then which value given, we have to take that value only. Okay? So if another one thing you remember, it is not coming in your class. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. But 22 by 7, its value is a rational number. In your higher school class, you will study about it. What is rational number? What is irrational number? I am introducing it to the irrational and rational. Pi is irrational, but 22 by 7 is rational. How it is possible? It is irrational, that is irrational. It means 22 by 7 is not the accurate value of pi. Okay? It is the closest value, nearest value. We cannot find out the value of pi. Got it? Then we will go to the area. So what is the area formula of circle? It is pi r square. Pi r square means pi into radius square. R means radius. So it is what? Now pi into radius square. Square of the radius. Okay. It is 2 pi r means 2 into pi into radius. Which one here mentioned here as r, small r. Okay. So now in this video you learn about the perimeter and area formulas, some closed figure. Okay. In my next video we will discuss about the figures and its area, how to find out, in which way we have to find out the area and perimeter of the closed figure. Okay. So in this video I give the introduction of the perimeter and area chapter. If it is helpful to you, then you will write in my comment box.